Life is not static. Every day offers a choice to stay the same or to change, evolve, and transform.
And yet, most people wait. They wait for the right time, the right moment, the right motivation. But the truth is simple. The perfect moment never comes. If you want to transform your life, you start now. Section 1. The reality check.
Ask yourself, how satisfied are you with your life? Are you living your dreams, or are you surviving someone else's expectations?
Most people are stuck in routines that don't serve them. They wake up, go to work, scroll through social media, and repeat, hoping life magically changes.
Transformation begins with awareness. You must acknowledge where you are before you can move to where you want to be.
Section 2. Why change feels impossible.
Change feels scary because it's uncomfortable. Your mind loves the familiar, even if it's limiting.
Every comfort zone is a cage. It may feel safe, but it prevents growth. Real transformation always comes with discomfort.
And here's the secret. Growth feels uncomfortable before it feels amazing. Push through that discomfort. That's where your new life begins.
Section 3. The 3 pillars of life transformation.
Transformation is built on 3 pillars. Mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. Habits. Small daily actions compound into massive results. Action. Without consistent action, nothing changes.
Ignore one and your transformation stalls. Master all 3, and life begins to bend in your favor. Section 4. Mastering your mindset.
Your mind is your most powerful tool, or your biggest obstacle. Self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs hold most people back.
Exactly. Shift your mindset. See challenges as opportunities. See failures as lessons. See yourself as someone capable of greatness.
Positive self-talk isn't pluff. It rewires your brain and changes how you act every day.
Section 5. Building transformational habits.
Life transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent habits. One push-up, one page read, one act of discipline at a time.
Focus on atomic habits, small, easy-to-do actions that compound over time. Consistency beats intensity. Daily improvement is the key. Remember, motivation comes and goes. Habits don't. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you start today. Section 6. Taking bold action.
Knowledge and habits mean nothing without action. Action bridges the gap between dreams and reality.
Most people overthink and never move. Action is the antidote to fear. Start small. Start imperfect. But start now.
Action creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence transforms your reality.
Section 7. Overcoming fear and failure.
Fear will always whisper, "You're not ready. It's too risky. You might fail."
And failure? It's not the enemy. It's feedback, a guide, a step on your journey. Every failure teaches. Every setback strengthens.
Embrace fear. Fail forward. Your comfort zone will fight you, but your growth is worth it.
Section 8. The role of discipline and consistency.
Discipline is the bridge between goals and results. Consistency turns effort into transformation.
Don't wait for motivation. Discipline is showing up when you don't feel like it. It's doing the work while others make excuses.
Small daily actions compound into massive results over time. That's the power of consistency.
Section 9. Focus and prioritization.
Life is filled with distractions, social media, entertainment, noise. Focus on what truly matters.
Prioritize your energy. Protect your time. Your attention is your most valuable asset. What you focus on expands.
Be intentional with your actions. Every decision should bring you closer to the life you desire.
Section 10. Continuous learning.
Transformation requires knowledge. Read, watch, learn, and absorb ideas that push you forward.
Even 10 minutes a day compounds. Feed your mind with growth-oriented material, books, podcasts, mentors. Your brain is your greatest investment.
Section 11. Reflection and journaling. Reflection is a hidden superpower. Ask yourself daily, what went well? What can I improve? How did I grow today?
Journaling tracks your progress, clarifies your mind, and holds you accountable. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Section 12. Surround yourself with growth-oriented people.
Your environment shapes you. Toxic, negative people hold you back.
Seek mentors, friends, and peers who challenge you. Learn from those who have already walked the path you want to take.
You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Section 13. Health and energy.
Your body is the vehicle for transformation. Without energy, focus, and vitality, progress is limited.
Exercise, nutrition, and proper sleep are non-negotiable. They give you the foundation to build the life you want. Section 14. Tracking progress and celebrating wins. Every step counts. Track progress no matter how small. Momentum comes from acknowledging wins.
Celebrate the small victories. They fuel confidence, motivation, and perseverance.
Section 15. Embrace the compound effect. One small action today, repeated consistently, will compound into extraordinary results tomorrow.
That's the secret of high achievers. They do the small, boring, disciplined actions daily. And then life changes dramatically.
Section 16. Final motivation. Life transformation is a journey. It's not about luck, timing, or circumstance. It's about becoming a better version of yourself every single day. Start today, not tomorrow. Start small, but start now. Your habits, your mindset, your action, they create the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the only competition is yourself. Improve daily, take control, and transform your life forever. Your future starts now.